Hello friends, there is a door in India, a door that has not been opened for centuries, a door protected by legends, sealed with symbols, guarded by priests and feared by millions. Scientists cannot open it, engineers cannot break it. Even the Supreme Court of India has stopped everyone from touching it. Behind the door lies a secret that could change the history. Treasure beyond imagination, or something so dangerous that opening it might bring disaster. This is the mystery of Padmanabha Swami Temple, Vault B, known as the Forbidden Vault. Today we enter a world of hidden tunnels, ancient curses, mysterious Naga guardians, and a secret no human has ever seen. Stay with me till the end because the final 2 minutes will shock you. Padmanabha Swami Temple in Kerala is one of the oldest temples in the world. For centuries, kings and devotees donated gold, diamonds, and treasure. But nobody knew just how much was hidden in the temple. Until 2011, six underground vaults A, B, C, D, and F were ordered open under Supreme Court supervision. What they found shocked the world. Vault A alone contains gold worth more than 100 crores, ancient crowns, diamonds, swords, idols, treasure unlocked for centuries. But there was one vault that even the Supreme Court refused to open. Vault B, the mysterious one, the forbidden one. Vault B is sealed by an ancient door with serpent carving. Not ordinary carving, but the scared Naga symbol believed to guard divine secrets. The door has no bolts, no lock, no hinges. It looks like a single piece of metal, impossible to move. Priest says it is not a door for human, only divine energies can open it. Attempts was made. Engineers used modern machines. Metal experts brought tools. Scientists examined the structure. Nothing worked. Even strange. People reported feeling vibrations like something breathing inside. Some said they heard a faint hissing. According to the temple legends, Vault B is protected by Naga Devatas, serpent spirits guarding the divine wealth of Lord Vishnu. Opening the vault without rituals would unleash massive calamities, floods, famine, wars. Ancient manuscripts warn if the vault is opened forcibly, the world will face destructions. Priest says clearly the vault must not be touched. But what is inside? Treasure? Secrets? Weapons? Something living. No one knows. During British rule, a group of soldiers tried to open Vault B. As soon as they tried blasting it open, they ran away screaming. They reported seeing thousands of cobras emerging from the darkness. It was illusion, real serpents, or something supernatural. The British sealed the vault again and ordered everyone to stay away. This is recorded in old Travancore documents. Experts have several theories. Theory 1. The largest treasure room in human history. Vault B may contain even more wealth than Vault A, enough to make the temple the richest religious institution in the world. Theory 2. Ancient script that could rewrite history. Historians believe Vault B may hold lost palm leaves, manuscripts about architecture, astronomy, medicine, and forgotten kingdoms. Theory 3. Something dangerous. Temple legend says Vault B hides a sealed pathway to underground tunnels stretching all the way to the Arabian Sea. Some believes it contains a powerful energy source or dangerous release that ancient sages locked away forever. Priests insist human must not disturb it. In 2011, when Vault A was opened, the Supreme Court ordered Vault B to be opened too. The moment priests heard this, they strongly protested. They warned, if you force open the vault, unimaginable disaster will follow. After months of debate, the Supreme Court stepped back. Vault B was declared too scared to be opened. This is the only time in Indian history a vault was protected even from the Supreme Court. Today, Vault B remained closed, untouched, unbroken, unrevealed. What lies behind the door? the treasure that could change nation, the secret that could change history, or a danger that ancient sages feared. Some mysterious protect themselves, and Vault B is one of them. Tell me in the comments, should Vault B to be open or should it remain undisturbed forever? If you like my information, please do subscribe. I will meet you in the next video.